Hey y'all, welcome back to the Sawmill. It's Labor Day weekend and Hurricane Aldalia came towards us the other day. We didn't get a direct hit, but we put everything out here on the pool area up, so now we have to put it back until the next one comes, and then we'll do it all over again. But we have some catching up to do. Wesley's got some sawmilling he's got to catch up on. I have some shirts and signs that I have to do, and some other things that I have to catch up on. Since we were in Key West last weekend, if y'all haven't seen that video, it's the one right before it. Go check it out. We had a blast. We took the Key West Express down there. Absolutely amazing. We're already planning another trip to do it again. So y'all come along with us while we put everything back at the Rum Life, and we'll see y'all in a little bit. You there? Where you at?
Figured since it was so nice and we already had our bathing suits on, that might as well take advantage of our pool. We didn't build it just to, to look at. We gotta enjoy it every now and then. That sawmill, it'll wait. You gotta live your life. Excuse me, ma'am, would you like something to drink?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
Surprise me.
Alrighty. Well, let's see what we can get her. Those for me. Hard to do one-handed. I believe it's drinking hours. There you go, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. I'll just put it on your tab. Or would you like to cash out now?
I'll pay later.
All right, sounds good. In case y'all are new to this channel, we run a sawmill, a Wood-Mizer LT15, but we also do other things. We built a pool about 3 years ago, and we love Key West since we do live in Florida, Central Florida, but so we built a pool to kind of live the Key West lifestyle. I'll give y'all a quick little tour. We did another little tour a couple videos back, but like I said, in case y'all are new to the channel, all the wood that's in here was cut on a Wood-Mizer, except for the wood inside the bathroom. But it's our little sitting area. Got the grill, refrigerator, pretty much everything you need for an outdoor kitchen griddle. Got a gas burner over there. Sink. Of course, all the adult beverages. Rum life. And then a little outdoor bathroom. Of course, it's hot in Florida, so you gotta have a window shaker. Pretty much everything you need to enjoy the Florida lifestyle, Key West lifestyle. We love it. Of course, we run that Sawmill quite a bit too. Missy has a shirt, sign, and sticker business. We do custom wood signs, custom shirts, and stickers. It's better than sawing, ain't it?
There's nothing like relaxing by the pool and your husband says, you have an hour to get ready. We're heading back to Fort Myers to surprise Jason for another party that his wife has given him tonight. So we are on our way back to Fort Myers to surprise Jason. Surprise, Jason.
And so Fort Myers is not like 30 minutes from us. It's a 2-hour trip from us. We live between Tampa and Orlando in a small town called Plant City. So it's not just like we run around the corner and go to their house. So, but we like to drive through the woods, and it's not a bad trip.
So we're fixing to stop at Publix, pick up a few things, and then we'll be on our way. So y'all stick around and watch us surprise Jason.
Here's the party.
That's right. There's a party here.
You can't get enough.
No, can't get
Happy birthday, dear Jason. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning. It is another beautiful day in Central Florida. It's actually kind of cool this morning, 70 degrees. So it's actually Labor Day today. Ooh, that sun, hang on. It's actually Labor Day and we are back on the Sawmill. Been slacking. We were in Key West last weekend and we started out Saturday morning with good intentions and they fell really short pretty quick. We ended up putting everything back from the hurricane that just came through. That's in the beginning of this video. And then Saturday afternoon we went to Fort Myers to see our friends and celebrate his 40th birthday. Came back home Sunday, laid around all day Sunday. And so now it's Monday morning and we have got to get busy. We are falling behind on our orders and I have to go back to work tomorrow. So we're gonna see what we can get done today. Y'all stick around. Let's go check on Missy, see what she's doing.
Hi.
What are you doing today?
I am working on some signs. I got a growth chart to do for a baby's room. And then I have another one that's gonna say Nana's Pantry to go over a pantry door for one of our customers. And I got like 20 shirts to do.
So show me your office.
Oh Lord, it's a mess.
That's why it means that you work in it.
I mean, it's a mess.
It's not very big, it's 10 by 10, but we make it work. We're fixing to expand. We've got some exciting news that we're going to share in about 30 days with y'all. So y'all stick around and we're going to see what we can get done today. It really sucks. You get a really good pole and you go into it and then that happens. Freaking blade dips, rises and dives. That is nothing. Fish you off. I had a pretty good day. Cut a bunch of 2x6s on the wood misers. But it is Labor Day, so we had to shut down the mill early. Haven's boyfriend come over and we're cooking fajitas, and so I'm gonna chill out a little bit and enjoy the bar and then cook some fajitas. And
underneath the grill surface is the burners that are providing these to bring our dishes to life. These are 3 and 4 burner models, and the 3 burners are the Pit Boss,
just chilling out.
Traeger, and the local. We have 4 burners.
Hey y'all, we hope you like this video. I know it's kind of been all over the place, but that's how we live our life, is all over the place, because you're not promised tomorrow. So do what makes you happy, do what you like to do, because your time might be up tomorrow and your name might be called. So
If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, let us know what you guys want to see next. And if you don't like what you see, let us know what we can improve on. Stay tuned and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Jarrett, you got anything to say?
Hot seat!
Subscribe.